Hello everyone, I hope you can hear me okay. I am driving currently. I'm on the road in Texas. This is a day where I'm going to transfer my New York driver's license to the Texas driver's license. So for that you have to be either a legal citizen, or you have to have a green card or something like that, and have your social security with you, have an address where you live, a proof of address, so some mail that came in on that, a bill of a service that's in your name for that address or something like that. The only thing is, to get that done, I want to make you aware, I live just north of Dallas. I have to drive about 3 hours one way because I am in a hurry to take care of that, because I need that license to register a business in Texas, and I can't wait a couple months. I mean, I could have an appointment to do this close to my house, probably within 15 minutes, but I would have to wait for that appointment probably 2 months. I think the next one was in July, so maybe even 3 months, which is kind of insane. So last week I went to search, and there's a town just south of Dallas. I mean, not just south of Dallas, but south of Dallas, which is about 3 hours one way. It's called Fort Hood, and they had an appointment available for today, so I don't have to wait around. I'll go there, take care of it, and get it done. Unfortunately, it's almost an entire day to take care of a driver's license. But that's the way it is. So many people move to Texas, especially the Dallas area, that the appointments are just taken up for weeks and weeks and weeks, and as you can see, for months. And you just can't get an appointment any sooner close to Dallas because there's so many people moving there, and all the appointments are just booked, which is crazy. So if you're in a hurry, yeah, you got to look around a little bit further. 3 hours, 2 hours, 4 hours away, whatever you can find if you're really in a hurry. If you think you can wait 2 to 3 months and you don't have to hurry that much, well, then you can, just set up an appointment local to you and just hang around. Don't wait those 2-3 months until you get that appointment. Go and take care of what you need to take care of. So the speed limits here are pretty nice. Right now, the speed limit I got here is 70. Most of the highways here are 70, 65, 70, some of them are 75, which is nice. On the left, you see a nice big American flag. You see a nice big Texas flag, which is a welcome sight that you see very often. Where we live, we have the same thing. So Texans are proud of Texas, which is great, and I like that. Yeah, so, to get your license done, like I said, I have to drive 3 hours to Fort Hood. There was other appointments that I could have made to get an appointment within about the same time frame, but I would either have to drive up north for a couple of hours, or southwest or southeast for a couple of hours. It's nothing close to Dallas. My friend that moved to Dallas about 9-10 months ago, he actually had to drive 6 hours one way to get his license done because he couldn't wait. So they just pretty much took a trip. They went, I think, to Wichita Falls, if I'm not mistaken. And there's a park there, so they got a hotel for the night. They they got a girl, a daughter that's about 9 years old. They took her with them. They took care of their stuff. They kind of visited the park a little bit, so a little bit of an exploration as well. But I'm I'm just driving out real quick, take care of whatever I have to take care of, and go back home because my kids and my wife are waiting for me. And like I said, I need this so I can move forward in Texas. I can't wait around. I don't want to wait around for 2 or 3 months to get stuff done. All right, I hope that helps. I will try to put the website where you can make the appointments in the description of this video. And you can, if you move here, you can set up your appointment easy that way. There's probably other videos. I don't like to prep my videos and all that. Everything is spontaneous. Most of it, at least, as you can see. And that's it. So I'll probably record another video on what I think of Texas so far and what my feelings are and things like that. I did catch some kind of a bug. I tested myself for COVID. It did say I don't have it, but I think it's some kind of a stomach bug. I just don't feel right. My whole body aches and it's just not good. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope this video helps you.